Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 4 alternatives to AliExpress. So if you want to start an e-commerce business or a dropshipping business, here are the 4 alternatives to AliExpress. And if you want to avoid long shipping, and just stay with me today. One alternative is DHgate. Unlike AliExpress, DHgate accepts all major credit cards, meaning Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and others. Not only that, but also accepts PayPal payment. Also, in some of the countries, also DHgate accepts Skrill. So, in terms of payment, those are the pros of DHgate. Not only that, but also shipping. There are several shipping options to choose. So you can solve the problem of long shipping. You can see here, now I'm on DHgate website. So if you want to buy from DHgate, you just go on Google, type DHgate. As you can see here. Not only that, but also you can buy using their application or app. You can go to Play Store or to App Store. So it is very easy to order from DHgate, and they have almost every product in every category. So there are so many products that you can get from this website. They sell also in bulk, or if you want one product, you just also filter in this website and just find the sellers that are selling only one product, or you can order only one product, and others are selling in bulk or in MOQ. So you can get products, any product that you want from this site, and the prices are affordable, as you can see here. They are very cheap. Very cheap, and the customer care is very good in this site. So if you want to buy product from DHgate, don't worry. The customer care is very good. If you encounter any problem, they will be willing to help you. The negative side of DHgate is that most of sellers do sell in bulk or MOQ. So if you want to just to buy few products, it can be a problem. Alternative is Banggood. Banggood also uses or accepts PayPal, so you can pay your orders using PayPal. Also accepts all major credit and debit cards. That's Visa, MasterCard, and the others. And another advantage of Banggood is that there are several shipping options that you can choose. So you have advantage when you compare to AliExpress. So if you want to solve that problem of long shipping and delays and so on and so forth, so you can use also Banggood. Negative side of Banggood is that the charges are very high. So the shipping charges are very high. So that's one of the disadvantages of Banggood. 3, you can use GearBest. GearBest has a very good customer care. Not only that, but also they issue the refund very fast when you compare to other sites. Also, GearBest accepts PayPal payments, and not only that, but also accepts all major credit and debit cards. So you have so many payment options. Not only that, but also GearBest offers many shipping options which are affordable. So you can choose whether registered mail, EMS, DHL, and others. Now, if you want to buy also on GearBest, you can just go on GearBest. You write GearBest on Google, or just use their app that you can download on Play Store. So as you can see here, they have almost every category that you can choose. For example, appliances, cell phones and accessories, computer and tablets and office, consumer electronics, drones, toys and hobbies, health and personal care, home improvement and tools, home and garden, industrial and scientific, motor and car electronics, outdoor and fitness, also sports. There are shoes and bags, there are watches and jewelry, apparel and accessories. So there are so many products also in this site. As you can see here, other products are very cheap. The products that are found expensive in this site are like smartphones. Smartphones are a bit expensive when you compare to other websites, but other products are a bit cheap, as you can see here. So you can sell almost any product, or you can order any product from this site. As you can see, there are so many. So if you are finding for an alternative to AliExpress, this is also your best bet. GearBest is your best bet. The negative side of GearBest is that they have very few products. Another option is eBay. There are so many sellers from China who are selling on eBay platform, and they sell the products with affordable prices. So you can order direct from eBay with cheap prices when you compare to AliExpress. And they offer different shipping options that you can get your product fast when you compare to AliExpress. Also, you can order from eBay. As you can see here, I'm on eBay website, and you can filter the sellers from China that are offering the products in affordable prices with the same price that you can get on AliExpress. But here, the advantage is that the shipping and the refund policy are implemented very fast when you compare to AliExpress. So eBay also is a good option because the sellers that are coming from China are selling also on this site on eBay, and the prices are affordable, and the shipping options are many. So you can choose that you can get the product fast. The negative side of eBay is that some of the sellers do deliver only to few countries, do deliver their products only to few countries, so it's not worldwide.